Hi grade 10, here's teacher Roxanne again and welcome to our writing class. Again, we are already in Unit 6, Week 3, and we are going to focus on character analysis. We are going to focus on the characters from the story Six Who Made Their Way in the World. At the end of our lesson, you should be able to describe a character through their actions and interactions with other characters, relate characters' ability to the story's outcome, and write a short character analysis. To begin with, let us identify what a character analysis is first. It is a short study of character in a story which includes his or her character traits, actions, interactions, and motives. Now, these elements are vital in character's development, and this will help you or guide you in identifying or describing a character. The question is, how will you construct your character analysis? First, you have to gather facts and evidences about the character. This is what I was trying to tell you earlier. You have to consider the character's actions and interactions with other characters. Next one, make inferences about the character's actions and dialogues. This time, you are going to interpret the character's actions and dialogues. What can you say about the character? Next, we are going to have or answer the guide questions. Remember, you are going to choose one character coming from the story Six Who Made Their Way in the World. First question is, what is the character's talent? What talent seems most important at first? Next, which characters have talents that most affect the story's outcome? And the last question is, could the story's outcome have been reached without a particular character's talent? Why or why not? I will give an example. For an example, the runner in the story. Do you think the soldier or the main character will achieve his goal without the runner? Why or why not? Before you construct your character analysis, you have to fill these columns first. This will help you choose one character coming from the story. And we have several main characters. The first one is the soldier. Second one is the strong man who could lift 6 trees with his bare hand. And next one, the hunter. Next, runner, the blower, and the frost bringer. Now, you are going to identify each character's talent and you're going to write it in the second column. And in the third column, you're going to identify their talent's impact on the outcome or the end of the story. Aside from the chart that I have provided earlier, you can also choose from the king and the soldier as your subject in your character analysis. Why? It is easier to describe a round or complex character. Let us have the king. Why do you think he is a complex character? It is because at the beginning of the story, he's very persistent and won't give his wealth nor his daughter to the soldier and his companions. While the soldier is also considered as a complex character because he has multiple motives. First, it can be personal. He accompanied several servants because he knew that they would be very helpful. Aside from that, he also wants to help them. Moreover, he wants to revenge. You can use these characters as your subject. Let us move on to the organization of your character analysis. A character analysis is an explanatory text. That means you should organize your ideas in a clear way so that readers can follow them. First, You have to identify the story and its author. State your thesis. Next, follow your thesis with supporting evidence from the story. Organize your evidence chronologically to reflect the story's order of events. And the last one, end your analysis with a strong conclusion in which you state your thesis. Upon writing your character analysis, there are several things that you need to consider. The first one is convention, which refers to your spelling, grammar, capitalization, and proper punctuation mark. Next, content, which refers to the ideas you included in your analysis. And the third one is word choice. And last but not the least, organization. This refers to the organization between sentence or sentences and paragraphs. It is better if you're going to use transitional words and phrases. That will be all for our class. I hope that you understand our lesson. Have a nice day, everyone.